Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting a new series called Role Explained, where we will break down some of the most popular finance careers and help you understand what they exactly do. So here we'll discuss what are the skills required, what is the salary expectations, how can freshers enter them, in short, what is the entire role about. Over the next week, we'll discuss many roles like FP&A analyst, investment banking analyst, treasury analyst, credit analyst, equity research analyst, and many more roles. And what's better than starting with a role which is the most common entry point for any finance student, financial analyst. So if you're a BCom, BBA, MBA or any finance student and you want to get into finance career, this video and this series is for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most basic question. What is a financial analyst? Now imagine you're a CEO of a company and your company generates thousands of transactions like revenue, expenses and various other transactions. Now imagine you have to make strategic decisions without having understanding of any numbers. That's where financial analysts come in. They basically collect, analyze and interpret the financial data which will help the business to make informed decisions. So in simple terms, they answer the questions like, is the company making money? Which department is performing good comparatively? How costs can be reduced? How can revenue be increased? They turn number into insights. Second question, where do they work? Now, which are the areas where financial analysts work? See, one reason why this role is so popular is because every industry needs a finance person. So you can find them in banks, consulting firms, manufacturing companies, tech companies, healthcare organizations, startups, FMCG companies, almost everywhere. Whether it's a global bank or a local firm, there has to be one finance guy to analyze the performance. And that's exactly why financial analyst is often considered most safest and versatile career in finance. Question 3. What does a day look like in the life of a financial analyst? So this is how your day will look like. Reviewing financial reports. You have to check revenue, expenses, profitability, and various other transactions. Creating dashboards. You have to use Excel, Power BI, and other tools to create dashboards which will help the business to make decisions. Third, budget analysis. You have to compare your forecasts with the actuals and also track the reason for the variances. Fourth, forecasting. You have to predict future sales, future expenses, future profitability. Fifth, meetings. So there will be various meetings with so many stakeholders of the company wherein you have to present different kinds of information to many people. So in short, your role is about understanding the business problems and communicating the solutions. Going towards the next topic, what are the skills required? Keeping it very short and crisp. First, Excel. Now, if you want to become a financial analyst, Excel is non-negotiable. You have to be perfect with your formulas, pivot tables, conditional formatting, dashboards, charts, and everything. Excel is still the widely used tool in finance. Second, financial statement analysis. You should be very comfortable understanding the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, because these documents tell you the story of the business. Third, financial modeling. Now, financial modeling will help you in understanding and estimating companies' future performance. Fourth, Power BI. Data visualization is becoming extremely important in today's world. Power BI helps analysts to transform their complex data into business solutions. Fifth and most important, communication. Now this is where many people struggle. Sometimes they have the data, they have the solution, but they find it difficult to communicate it to the stakeholders. So strong communications are definitely required because that will make you stand out from other average analysts. Next topic is how to become a financial analyst as a fresher. Probably the topic which most of the people are waiting for. Here's a simple roadmap. Step 1. Build strong accounting fundamentals. Learn about assets, liabilities, revenue, expenses. Fundamentals. Step 2. Master Excel. Spend at least few weeks to understand about the Excel functions. Step 3. Learn about financial statement analysis. Now pick a listed company and start analyzing its annual report. Step 4. Learn Power BI. Even the basic dashboard skill will make you stand out among the rest. Step 5. Build projects. Don't just show that you have done the course, show that even you have worked on it. Step 6. Get an internship if possible because that will strengthen your resume. Step 7. Start applying consistently. See, you don't have to wait till you're perfect. You can always keep applying even though when you're improving side by side. This was a simple roadmap. Next, salary and career growth. Now, salary varies widely depending on the location, company, skills, experience, but I can just give you a rough range of it. Okay? So for entry level analyst, you can somewhere expect between 4 to 9 LPA. And then for senior finance analyst, you can expect from 9 to 15 LPA. And then for finance managers and above, 15 to 30 LPA. Just a very rough range of the basic salary. For senior leadership roles, it depends widely on their experience and the type of company, so there is no particular range for that. So, the career growth, how does the hierarchy look like? First, entry level position is financial analyst, then senior financial analyst after a few years of experience, finance manager, senior finance manager, finance director, and then CFO. That's how the hierarchy looks like. One of the biggest advantage of this role opens the door for many other roles. Many people start as a financial analyst, but then they switch into FP&A, investment banking analyst, treasury analyst, because this role opens the door for many other roles. So this is one of the fantastic foundation for long-term growth and success. Now, you might feel that, madam, you have given us so much information, but how do I know that if this role is right for me? I'll help you again. So this role is right for you if you find these points interesting. Okay? You like working with numbers, you enjoy analyzing data, you like solving business problems, you're curious about how business makes money and how can we grow, and you want a versatile finance career. However, if you're looking for client-faced roles, then you may prefer investment banking or wealth management, but you can eventually switch once you enter into financial analyst. The choice is definitely yours. In short, I can say that this is one of the most common entry point for finance students. This wraps up our episode 1 of the Role Explained series. In the next episode, we'll break down the role of FP&A analyst, one of the fastest growing corporate careers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also hype the video in case you have the hype button over there. Share it to the people who are interested in exploring the careers in finance. And also let me know in comments if you have any more roles which you want me to break down, and I'll add them in my to-do list. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.